Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Into today's video, I'm taking a closer look at this wireless microphone. If you want to know how to use it, how to connect it to your phone, and if you want to know if it's worth it or not, watch the video to the end. At the end of the video, I'm gonna rate this microphone by giving it a thumbs up if it's worth it, or a thumbs down if it's not worth it. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Let's start with the microphone itself. It's pretty forward. It comes in a case like this, and the case has a battery. When you open the case, as you can see here, everything is inside the case, sitting well. You have the receiver right here. The receiver is what you plug in your phone. In this case, this is for a USB-C phone, which means the newest iPhone, you can just plug this in, or all others Android phones. And these two, this one and this one, are microphones. And in the front here, you can see you will get the state of charge of the box, and every time you put the microphones back in the box, they get charged, just like earbuds, wireless earbuds, right? The microphone comes in a case like this. This is the case, and there's not much inside the case, right? You have a user manual, and then you have a USB-C. The brand of the microphone is Me. It's a Chinese brand, and the model of the microphone is J6. You can see the brand right here in the box, and in the back you can see the charging port, the USB-C charging port. So now I don't know where I placed the USB-C that came with the mic, but it was a pretty tiny, skinny USB-C port. I mean, the thickness of the cord was small, really small. Luckily, I can charge it with my regular USB-C, the one I use for my phone. So that's a plus. How does the mic work? Well, it's straightforward. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to know how to use it. So this is my Pixel 8 Pro. The way to use the mic is straightforward. Take the receiver, plug inside your phone into the USB port of your phone. As you can see, the receiver is plugged, and you have two light indicators, and they're blinking. The reason why they're blinking is because none of them is connected to a mic yet. We're going to place the phone down here. You can see they're blinking, right? So now, once you grab one mic, you can see one light is solid now. You have a solid light there, it's not blinking anymore, which means the mic is connected, right? And it is a tiny, I hope you can see it. It comes through the camera. This one here shows that it's connected. And if you take the other one out, then now you have two solid lights, which means both mics are connected. From here, straightforward. Go to your camera, go to video, press record, and this you can attach it to your shirt like that, and then you start recording. They work straight out of the box, pretty easy. Now let's talk about some good things about these mics. So you have an option to clipping it. You have an option to clipping it to your shirt, right? Or, which is one thing that's really cool with this one, is a magnet. So you can also place it like this in your shirt or your t-shirt, which means you can place it wherever you want it on your shirt because it has a magnet. I think this is a cool touch, right? And if you haven't noticed, this mic looks familiar to a microphone from Holy Land, right? Which has these two. So this is a knockoff version of that. Sound quality. The sound quality is decent. Is a little bit better than the mic on your phone. A little bit better than the mic you get on your phone. But the sound quality is good. And this is handy if you two people, conversing, or if you're recording an interview. This is very handy because then both of you can clearly be heard. And if one of you move a little bit further away from the phone, the voice still comes through loud and clear. The box has a fairly good enough battery. It's rated to work for 50 hours, right? So when the box is fully charged and the microphones are fully charged and you start using them, it says you can use them for not 50 hours, but it doesn't actually say. But I mean, since I've got this mic, you can see if I place one of them back, you see it's 80%. I've used this a couple of times and the charge has dropped to 80%. So I actually don't know precisely how long you can use it, but I'm gonna guess around 2 hours of use, 2 to 3 hours of use. It's just a guess. It doesn't say anywhere how long you can use it. What's very important though is the distance. You can use this mic away from the receiver. It says 50 meters, that you can use it 50 meters away from the receiver. I've tried using it around 5 meters and it works great. Now I don't know why you will be 50 meters away, but there you go. All right, the price of this mic is around $20. I'm gonna list the price. The prices right here. The prices are gonna be in different currencies, and the currencies represent the places where my videos are mostly watched. But the exact price of the mic is around $21. Right, I'm running up. It's $20 something, but it's around $21. The exact price of the mic, and the mic is of course from AliExpress. I have an unboxing videos about this mic. I have a bunch of other unboxing videos on my channel, make sure you go wash them. So that's the mic. Pretty easy to use. Now, what's the verdict? I mean, this is a pretty affordable mic. It's not that expensive, so you cannot expect the quality to be. If this mic cost $200, then you expect the quality to be of $200, you know, because that's a lot of money. But this only cost a fraction of $200, right? It cost $21. So the price quality ratio, I will give this mic a thumbs up for that. So this mic is geared to anyone that has a low budget and wants a wireless mic for recording videos. This is money well spent for the price. You get the quality that you deserve. So this mic gets a thumbs up from me. Alright guys, that was a short video about this mic. I hope you liked it, and if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and go and watch the other videos I have on my channel. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.